Hello students, part of San Jacinto College and Education 1300 requirements is for you to complete two online modules that are provided by the college. So I have placed their point value underneath your career assignments, and so you are going to complete both the SJC course delivery types training and the sexual assault misconduct prevention training, also called Not Anymore. And so both of these are found on your Blackboard site. So when you go into Blackboard, over here on the left hand side you will see two tabs, SJC course delivery types and then the sexual assault misconduct prevention. So you're going to click on the first one, SJC course delivery types, and so this is an online module, as I said, presented to you from the college, and so you will simply go straight down reading each section. So you have your objectives, you have which delivery type is right for you, and so it's going to give you this infographic, because basically this module is going to tell you the difference between face-to-face courses, online classroom, or what we call hybrid classes, and strictly online courses. And so all of that is going to be listed in this infographic for you. And then you are going to complete this SJC distance learning orientation. And once you are done with this tutorial that's required, you will then move on to how to stay motivated and disciplined in the online course. So once you click on that, I have already done it, so it simply gives this OK. Once you go to this how to stay motivated in an online course, it is going to bring you to a training. When you are done with the training, so as you can read down here, at the conclusion of the model, you will have the ability to print the certificate. So you are going to say print, and when you do, at that point, it's going to give you the chance to save a copy as a PDF, and so you are going to save that copy. Once you have saved that copy, you are then going to title it SJC Course Delivery Types. That way you know what it is. And so when you have completed this training, you will go back to Course Content. You will open Week 2. You will come here to SJC Course Delivery Types. You will browse your computer for that certificate that you just got, and you will open it, and then you will submit it right there. And so that is worth 25 points that you completed that module. Next step, you are going to complete the sexual assault, misconduct, sexual assault, and sexual misconduct prevention training. And so again, this is provided by the university. So you are going to go through this information. You are going to go step by step. You're going to watch the Not Anymore introduction. Once you've completed that video, you will log into SOS. And you will follow these directions that will bring you to a pre-test and a post-test. If you score higher than a 75, you get the completion certificate. If not, you will be required to redo it until you make the 75 or higher. And so step 3 will tell you to download the certificate. So a green box will say you earned the certificate and you are to download it and save it. Again, I would label it sexual misconduct training or Not Anymore training. And then this is a little different. You will not go back to course content to submit it. You stay right here. See, submit Not Anymore training completion certificate. So it will go ahead and send a little box to me that says that you have completed it. And then here is a video that shows you how to do that as well. If for some reason you have done this before, you can't access it, or something is happening with SOS, then you will call this number right here to get it reset, because this is not something I can do. Again, this is done through the college itself. So you will call this South Campus number and ask them to reset that for you. And so that is it. Please make sure that you fill everything out, because they will ask for your name. So the certificate should say your name on it and that you were completing it. It will also tell me the minutes and time in which you did it. I've had several students who wasted their time and energy and just downloaded blank certificates for me. Of course, you're not going to get credit. So please make sure that you follow all of the directions there. And so one other thing that I want to make sure all of you are aware of is that by being a San Jacinto student, you all have access to our email account. And so you will go to My San Jack, you will go to your email. Again, you should already have it set up. If not, this is how you will do it. If you're having any issues, you need to call tech support because your email needs to be up and running. That's how I send information to you. But the reason I'm telling you you need to get this up and running is, let me pull mine up and I will bring it over, is in your email account, you will see at the top or the bottom on my one that's on my computer, it's going to be up here at the top. But then down here at the bottom, I might have to do it online so I can show you actually. Let me actually do it online. So if I were to go into San Jack, and again, a shortcut is sanjack.edu/email. And I'm going to log in. So this is how yours will look. So up here, there are some little boxes. If you click on them, these boxes give you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. Some of you have computers that were just basic computers and you don't have these items. And so when you're trying to save and turn stuff into me, you are only saving the internet web page. Well, that can't be submitted. I can't access that, nor can any other professor. So you need to learn how to go into your email, open up your Word documents, and if you need to transfer stuff over, open up that blank document and copy and paste stuff, and this allows you to save it as a .docx. So it should never be a .pages or any .html. Those cannot be opened via your professors. So when you turn stuff in, it needs to be a .doc or a .pdf. And so as you can see, I'm saving this as, and look at this. Those of you that don't have a PDF availability, it's right here. And so you would save it, download a copy to your computer. So that's what I'm going to do. I always recommend saving it, and here it is right down here, all your items as a document first, because that way it can always go back and be changed. But when you're ready to submit things, and many college scholarships and professors require you to turn stuff in a protected format, which is the PDF. So I can do File, again Save As, Download as a PDF. So I download it, and look, here it is as a PDF. And so it's here. Listen, you are not turning this into me. This link, this is the internet link. You're turning this into me, the actual .doc or the .pdf. And so whenever you just did that, as I showed you in the last video, you have also downloaded it. So you go to your download folder in your computer, and there they both are. So you never turn into your professors the link, because your links are not, your internet links cannot be opened by us. So I hope that answers some questions and guides you. Please view your daily sheets each and every day to see what you have to do for that day and what you will have due for Sunday of that week. Have a good day.